we built it our own. So today, this is gonna be our vending machine, and it's gonna roll down. We're gonna be over there getting the balloons, but we're gonna throw it at my mom. You can't see her, but we're gonna throw it at her. So, great. That can make me this green. Let's get started. The vending machine. We're gonna walk down to the front so it can give us a vending machine. I have a bucket so I don't drop it because they're slippery. I want a balloon. It's gonna come down soon. I want a balloon. I want a balloon. Ooh, balloons. I'm gonna take this one first. Look at the gold one. Oh, there's more. That gold one looks bigger. Let me get that one. A red one. A black one. How much balloons do we have? Let's sing a special song. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Look at this giant one. Let's count the balloons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yep. Thanks, Mr. Vending Machine. Now it's my mom. Hard to get out. Uh-oh, it popped. This time it's not that big. Let's get my mom. My brothers are here to help me. We didn't get her, but at least it was fun. Maybe there's some more. I got one more. Let's go get her. Yeah! Let's go. Let's go. Let's get her. We're going on a field trip. We're going on a field trip. I'm gonna wet my mom. I'm gonna wet my mom. We're going to get payback. We're gonna get payback. Let's go get my mom. Let's go get my mom. Let's go get payback. Let's go get payback from my mom. From my mom. Let's go get payback. Let's go get payback. Let's get my mom. Let's get my mom. Let's get my payback. Let's get some payback from my mom. From my mom. Let's get some payback. Let's get some. Oh, what you? It's for my video. Thank you. Wait. Yeah, you should. Let's wet my mom now. Right. Let's wet my mom now. Attack!
Dad, you do this at my mommy.
Wow. You do it. Oh. I'm going to get it from you.
I can get it, guys.
Watch your step.
Yes.
Alright guys, thank you for watching my video, but I think I have one more surprise.
That's the end of the life of Kai. Thank you all for swinging on by. That's all. Till next time. But for now, it's time to say goodbye. Goodbye. Don't forget to like and subscribe.